shut up. That rubbish that you have been talking, self. I'm not even in the mood for that nonsense. See, let me tell you. I beg you, just get out of my phone. Rubbish.
I want problems always.
These boys, I have a lot of things against you people, especially that one that is cooking inside. Bringing plenty girls in this house.
Sharp.
Bringing girls as if this place is a hotel.
Brother Solo.
I have been treating you people like family in this compound.
Tritani.
Which in other places you can never see it. If you are doubting me, go and rent a place in this area now. Giving you people plenty leverages to do anyhow in this compound. And you, Egodi, I don't even know what thing they call you. You have turned my house into a studio. You be playing music loud like that in this compound. Just because you went to the studio to do a song that did not even sell in the market. You will be using it to disturb everybody in this compound.
Superstar.
With that your nonsense voice that sounds like a fraud. That person that told you that music is your calling, the person is a witch. They will be telling you to go and sing, and you go and sing. You don't know that you don't know how to sing. If this is how Wizkid and Davido and the Burna Boy and the rest they started, I don't think they will be where they are now. And as for you, Chooks, your mouth is as open as your glasses. Every time you'll be talking on phone. Your credits don't get finished. The most painful part is that when it comes for house rent, you will travel. You will not be around to pay your house rent. And everywhere will be quiet when you are not around like this. Nah, see, from today henceforth, when you before you travel, you will pay all your bills before you leave this house. You will pay your bills ahead of time. As for you, Musa, you see, I have two things against you. Number one is that you are very stupid. Your stupidity is very foolish.
Jesus.
Okay, landlord, I don't like her. I don't know what is wrong with you, Musa. The second one is that you will be running water in the bathroom like this. You will stay in the bathroom for a very long time. And when you come out like this, it's not as if you are very clean. Your body will be coloring dust, and then you'll be smelling onion, as if you've not bathed, you've not seen water for 1 year. The most painful part is that when they come to remove this sock away, you will say that your business is not moving well. Your suya business, people are not buying your suya. That reminds me, Seth. Bia, I bought two chicken last month. And these two chicken, they were at my backyard. Then my uncle sent me one chicken for Christmas. Now I'm having 3 chicken. Now, today I went to the backyard. I saw only just 2 chicken.
Wahala Pro Max.
One of my chicken cannot just get missing like this.
That's what I do for you.
See, even the Bible said that if one of your this thing is missing, you should go and look for it. Okay, landlord. Now sheep Bible talk, no be Paulo.
Hello.
Come on, my friend. Shut up, my friend. Shut up. How you taking no waiting the Bible talk? I mean, I'm even suspecting you that you are the one that took my chicken and did suya with it. Oga landlord, walai talai, no be me taking the chicken. No be me. Oga landlord. So what I am saying is, if the chicken is not here before night fall, we are all leaving this compound to go and look for the chicken. I don't know if you understand what I am saying. Yes, Megida. Am I cleared?
Yes, sir.
Better.
So, landlord, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. I was cooking inside, so I don't want it to burn.
I was perceiving it since now. Yes, my own.
Hey, Oga landlord.
Who is laughing with you? Where is my own? Well, landlord say make you go bring your own.
Okay, I'm coming.
So right now, what I was saying is, if
Oga landlord, this one is for you.
So what did I miss? A landlord will say one of his chicken will get plenty hair for leg don't lose. So he say we go everybody go for roadside, go find the chicken. If the chicken no come back for evening. Which chicken? That landlord chicken wey they tell me about yesterday, saying they like shit for your domot. Say if you shit again, say you go kill and chop.
Oshe killer.
Now the one they talk about now.
He shock you.
Wait, is it for landlord to true? Hey, the landlord chicken now.
Hey, blood of Jesus is Lord.
When the chicken landlord they eat like this, what if we do to trouble?
Sure.
It's not even as if the chicken was. Where did you get this chicken meat from? Why are you people quiet?
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
I said, where did you get the chicken meat from?
Baba, now your chicken they chop so.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Mess up.
You can be prosecuted for that.
Landlord, I can explain. Oga Landlord is not what you think. Oga Landlord, see, I will explain. It's the chicken. It's the Oga Landlord. It's the chicken that caused it. Oga Landlord. Oga Landlord, please.
I hope you enjoyed that Vomit video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.